Hello everyone, welcome to Shai-ra Creates, where we create and beauty follows. And today we'll be making this optic illusion puzzle look. And it took me a while to do it, but it's really simple and easy. So I decided to share how a beginner like me got this look. And if you like this type of content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So with all that being said, let's get into it. First, I started working on the puzzle piece on one side of my face so I can later shape where I want the opening to be on the opposite side. This was the most tedious part of the entire look. I took breaks in between, as you can see here. I sang, I ate, I did everything. So it took in total 2 hours to do the whole puzzle piece, which is a long time, but however, this is also the easiest part of the whole look. So right here you see that I figured out where I was going to put the opening, and I outlined it with black paint first, and now you see me putting some purple on top of the black, just kind of blending it in. And I'm also going to be going back and forth with some blue and some hot pink, and I'll be going back and forth until it's to my liking. Now I'm dabbing some white in the middle of all that. At this point, I did not know what I was going to do. I was just trying to figure it out. I just knew that I wanted to be blended and I wanted a gradient effect. So later I referred to a reference photo to figure out what I wanted to do for the details and how I was going to get this galactic look. I ended up putting some white dots as the stars, and then I decided to put some glitter on top just to make it shine a little bit and to make it stand out. And this was the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you like this content. Thank you for watching.